Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Life in UAE Vlog. If you had seen my previous video, recently I have given makeover to my living room. Since Ramadan is going to start from tomorrow and Ramadan is incomplete without lights, stars and moon. Hence I am going to decorate my home to welcome Ramadan on a zero budget. Let's start with the moon. I have cut the moon shape using cardboard and decorated it with the gold lace. We can add LED lights to this moon for a better look. Since I will be using LED lights in all three corners of my home, so I am not adding the LED lights to this moon. Cut the star shape from the glitter foam paper. These stars are self-adhesive stars, so they can be stuck directly wherever needed. For this DIY, I am using gold and silver stars. Stick these stars to the string to create a line. I made 3 strings like this, and I will show you all these DIY once they all are done. Next, take some Ramadan Kareem cutouts and paste the glue on the cutouts and put some gold glitters on it. Stick these cutouts on the string and your Ramadan Kareem string is ready to hang. Next DIY, I am taking different color foam stars here and a LED light string. Stick these foam stars on the lights, something like this. One corner decoration is done now. Let's start the other corner. Here I am taking a cloth hanger and roll it with the LED lights. Second corner decoration is also done now. This is the last corner. Behind this plant stand, LED lights glow at night and it gives a very aesthetic look to the corner. I did this DIY some time back but couldn't use it in any of my makeover video. I am making a lampshade here by using thick jute rope. This DIY takes time as the glue on the jute takes at least 6 to 8 hours to dry completely. I did not apply glue on the top of the shade as it is difficult to remove the shade from the bottle. Shade is ready. I will show you where I use this shade after some time. As you have seen in my previous video, this is the seating area of my living room. Since it's festival time and we will be welcoming many guests, I need to create some more seating place, which I will create here. I am laying a mat here and placing a mattress on it. This is the velvet carpet which has a pretty design. Lay this on the mattress and tighten the edges. Since I do not have cushions, I am using a cuddling pillow here. Put 2 round pillows at the corner to create a majlis. Majlis is an Arabic term for a sitting room. Let's complete the look with the carpet, a small tray and a lamp on it. This is the lampshade I made and this is how it looks. I made 2 lampshades and fixed both, one at the dining table side and other at the center of the sitting place. Let's have a final look now. I hope you like this Ramadan makeover video. This is the night look of my living room. I hope you enjoyed my video. Thanks for watching and put your thoughts in comments.